Hey, welcome back. Welcome to the mint slice. Alright, so my eldest son rocks up, opens up the fridge as usual, and there's all this beautiful jelly slice in there and these big ass cream, passion fruit cream biscuits and that. He turns around, he's like, well, where's the mint slice? It's like, oh, bite me. So we're going to throw in a quick mint slice, really easy to make and absolutely moreish. So let's get stuck into it. Preheat your oven, 180 degrees Celsius. Get yourself a 18 by 28 centimetre, I think they call them Lamington trays. Put a little bit of butter in first, then put your paper in. It makes it sit in there perfect for what we need. Alright, in a large bowl, I'll put the recipe below as always. I've got flour and cocoa sifted, and then I'll put in the brown sugar and the coconut, detonated coconut. Mix them up first. This is so moreish. I can't believe it. It's so easy. Mixed in. Alright, now I've melted 125 grams of butter. So just over low heat. Mix it in. Alright, once you've got it mixed in as good as you can get it, pour it all in the tin. Sort of spread it all out as even as you can get it, and then squeeze it all down. Once you've smashed it all in, you can level them out. Alright, we want to whack it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, so check it after 15 minutes. That took 17 minutes today, so we want it, so it's you can put fingerprints in it still, but it's firm. So you don't want to overdo it because of the cocoa powder in it. When you start smelling it, that's usually when it's ready. So yeah, mine took 17, so start checking after 15. Alright, so what we want to do now is put that aside to cool down. Filling 2 1/4 cups of icing sugar. Now we want to melt down 2 tablespoons of milk and 20 grams of butter. Pour that in. Now peppermint essence. Alright, is what we use. I'm just going to start with 2 teaspoons, taste it, and see how we're going, because stupid me, I've just written down peppermint essence. I haven't written down how much. And I do it every time, and I should really write it down. Alright, mix it in. We love mint here. Alright, 2 teaspoons is plenty. But if you really, really love it, chuck in 3 teaspoons. I'll write on the recipe 2 to 3. Put 2 in, test it yourself, see if you like it. Add another one. Just add only one at a time though, because it will creep up on you. Alright, then we just cover it and put it aside. And we'll just have to mix it one more time when we're ready. And put it aside until your base is almost cold, like it just feels just that tiny bit warm to touch. Now it's just warm enough to touch. Give it a quick mix again. I like putting on while it's just warm still, because I reckon it kind of melts the icing sugar a little bit and doesn't give you that graininess. Alright, put it all in. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, smell that mint. Alright, smooth it all out. Now we're going to put it in the fridge and we want it to set hard, so I'm going to leave it in there for an hour. It's been an hour, so now you want to chop 90 grams of butter and put it in a saucepan with 125 grams of dark chocolate melts, whatever ones you want to use. Put it on really low heat and we'll melt it down. Chocolate's done. Pour her in. Couple of taps. Alright, my fridge is clearly crooked, it's not dead straight, so hopefully you've got a dead straight fridge. Put her in there and we're going to leave it in there for an hour. Left it out for 5 minutes and I'll give it a go again. The first one, yeah, all the melted chocolate covered it. That's better. Yes. Alright, ready for this?